and white bellies. Those would be those osprey. Now, if you guys look to either side of us, you'll notice all of these trees that the birds are perched on top of, and they're able to grow directly in the salt water. Now, these are our red mangroves. You'll notice as the water hits their roots, the roots turn a reddish color. Now, here in the Keys, we have 3 different types of mangroves. We have the red, the black, and the white. Now, if you'd like to see the black and white varieties, you can take some of our nature trails back at the park. They grow further inland. Now, these red mangroves can be identified by those large roots. You'll notice they prop up the bottom of the plant, so we refer to them as prop roots. Now, one of the reasons why they're important is because they stabilize the sediment. Now, we sometimes get tropical storms and hurricanes down here in the Keys, and without these large roots holding our land together, our coastlines would have been eroded, and we would have had to have built seawalls. Now, these large roots on either side are also a great habitat for many of our invertebrates, or creatures without backbones. So if you guys ever get the chance to snorkel among the mangroves, you'll notice a lot of sponges, tunicates, hydroids, some small crustaceans like crabs, some jellyfish, even some upside-down jellyfish, as well as some sea slugs down there. So there are a lot of creatures that like to use those roots as a habitat. Now, if you guys are inside looking down into the glass, or if you were, you might have noticed some round structures with a hole on top. Those are also our sponges. We have some encrusting types that attach themselves to the roots. We also have some that look like bowls, barrels, spheres, or vases. Now, these sponges are important because they have lots of little holes. They use them to filter water in and out and feed, but they also filter a lot of the bacteria out of our waters. And we have some funny names for our sponges down here. The ones that are red that can sting you, we call them fire sponges. We also have a chicken liver sponge and a stinker sponge. Now, in addition to those sponges and other invertebrates, we also have a lot of animals that we commonly see here in the creek. We have some large predators. We have seen some nurse sharks, some bonnethead sharks. We do also see some large stingrays every once in a while. So if you notice any black diamonds passing underneath the boat, those could either be our southern stingrays or some of our spotted eagle rays. So if they have a white spotted pattern on them, those are those eagle rays.